Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my Ulta haul. So if you haven't noticed, the last couple of weeks I've been giving you guys a heads up on the Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale. So each week, each day they had major sales on high-end brands, and yeah, the deals can't be beat. The sale is done, unfortunately. So stay tuned for the next Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale. Make sure you're subscribed so that you know when that sale goes on, because I definitely am on top of it. Let's go ahead and get into the haul. This is in no particular order, but the first item here in my box is the Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Cream. Oh my gosh, sorry about the lighting. Okay, this is by It Cosmetics. If you guys don't know, I'm over 40 and we need the retinol. Retinol is where it's at. We need those ingredients now. We need to be using it. And this one basically improves the look of fine lines and wrinkles, suitable for daily use. And I just started using this. This is brand new to me. I love the packaging. Look at that. Super pretty, and it has a special pump. So I don't know if you can see that right there. You press down and then the product comes out. This was half off. I think I bought it for around $30, but normally it was around $50. I'll put up the pricing of the sale here somewhere on the screen. I've only been using it for about a week, and in that week I think I've used it 4 times so far, and so far so good. I mean, I like the texture. It's very smooth. It's not thick or oily or anything. It has a serum consistency and it just sinks into the skin. So I love it so far. I will make sure to update you guys on this and see if this is a good nightly serum. All right, next item that I got, I'm so super excited for this. Beauty Bakery Neapolitan bar. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. It's basically a face palette that has the blush, the shimmer, and also the bronzer. This palette actually comes in 3 shades. Beauty Bakery is unique in that their packaging is like the bakery packaging. So their powder would be in a flour container, if that makes sense. And now this one looks like a chocolate bar. So I love it. Here's what it looks like right there. And I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. Oh my gosh, it's super buttery. The highlight doesn't seem to be popping as much, but there's the blush, the highlight, and the bronzer. Feels super creamy. I can't wait to try this on my face. The next item, I stocked up on my Kat Von D, or now it's KVD, right? The Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Lolita 2. Lolita 1 has been like a cult favorite. Like everybody loves that. But I feel like Lolita 1 is really for more like medium to light skin tone, and it just didn't suit me as much. But for medium to tan skin tones, Lolita 2 is where it's at. This one I love for like a fall color. It's a deeper mauve. It has a little hint of orange to it. It goes on really thin. It's not as drying as other liquid lipsticks. It can be a little bit drying, I have to say, but I'm used to it. But I love the color. I feel like it's like a rustic mauve. I think that's the best way to describe it. A rustic mauve. I love this. It just reminds me of fall. This is the perfect fall lipstick in my opinion. I haven't had that lipstick in about a year to 2 years already, so I missed it when I saw it was gonna be half off. I think I bought it for like $11. I went ahead and got it. The next item that I got is the Mansour Big Mascara by Lancome. I buy this almost every season, and I'm surprised that it's actually on sale every season, which I love. This is the blue kind, which means it is waterproof. I'm not gonna open it yet because I have other mascaras open. This is, like I said, one of my most favorite mascaras that's high end. It's volumizing, it's lengthening, and The one that I've always used is the non-waterproof one, and it works amazing. And so I've never tried the blue kind, which is waterproof, so I'm excited for this, especially during the winter months. Next one is a MAC lipstick, and I already have it on, so I've used it already. I keep it in my purse, so that's why. This is a pretty common lip color. This is in the color Whirl 626. I love this. This is the brownie nude color for my skin tone. I love it for the fall. It's deep enough for the fall, but not too like vampy. This is what it looks like right there. It looks pretty brown, huh? But it's like a very deep mauve color. So I love that. Again, this is another kind of favorite, cult favorite of mine that I haven't had in a while. And so I'm so glad that I got to restock on that. Clinique, of course, Moisture Surge. Every time this goes on sale, this is my go-to and one of my most favorite moisturizers. I have to say, if not my most, number one. It's definitely the top one or top two moisturizer. You guys have seen this. This is in the pink bottle, right? I don't like the Clinique moisturizer that's yellow. It feels very heavy and oily, but this one is gel, and I love it. I just love the texture of this, and it just sinks in my face without being sticky and oily, and it just hydrates me in the best way possible. I love to use this at night, but this is also perfect during the day. So Clinique. Okay, next one is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. So actually all of the brow pencils went on sale. I've never tried this specific one. Actually, I don't think I've tried any of Benefit's brow pencils. Look how cute this packaging is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the fine tip one. This is very fine right there. And it comes with a spoolie. Very nice. I am excited to use this. A lot of my brow pencils are already expiring, so I knew I needed a new one. So I'm excited to get this, and I get to try it out for the first time. This is a cult favorite. A lot of people have had these already, but I'm like the last person in the world, I think, that haven't tried the Benefit brow pencil. I have tried the brow gel. That one I cannot live without. I have it in stock all the time. It's my number one brow gel of all time, my most favorite. Even though it's high-end, I just love it. I also bought the Killer Liner pencil by Too Faced. Look at Too Faced and their packaging. It looks so pretty. Look at that. I had it upside down. Sorry, guys. I love this pencil. I just bought it because I thought I'd try it. It was half off, so why not? It is a 36-hour eyeliner pencil. I bought the color like black brown. Killer Espresso. I'll show you a picture of it because I left it at home. But when I tried this on, it is budge proof. It's not gonna move at all. Definitely, it's long wearing. What is it? 36-hour wear. So it is hard to come off unless you use a heavy duty makeup remover. So I love this a lot. Perfect for the waterline and tight lining. And then another lipstick. You know what it is? I went back to buying my oldie but a goodie lipstick, like my faves, you know, makeup that I'll always keep coming back to. Like, there's a lot of makeups I want to try, but there are certain ones that I will always repurchase and buy again and again, and Smashbox is one of them. And I got this in the color Misconduct. How this was described on the website was like a very plummy red, and you guys know I've been admiring my girl Jackie and her purple lippies. Last time I tried to buy one, it just didn't look good on me, and this one I feel like is the perfect plummy red for me. I can definitely wear this during the fall. You can kind of see it has a very purple undertone. It's a little vampy, but it's not that serious, you know what I mean? I'm so glad that I got this. And then This one I'm thinking of putting in a giveaway because it was on sale. Kylie Skin Detox Face Mask. So this is what it looks like. Try to insert a picture of it here somewhere. But I love face mask, but more on the sheet mask rather than the charcoal mask. I might try it, you know, it's Kylie. How can I not? But such cute packaging, pink packaging, and inside is a black charcoal mask. So I'm excited. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it, maybe I won't. I might put it in my advent calendar that I'm gonna give away pretty soon. In case you don't know, every Christmas season, holiday season, I unbox a few advent calendars, but I'm also giving away an advent calendar. So make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for that giveaway because it's gonna be a good one. The last thing here in my box is the Derma E Vitamin C Gentle Daily Cleansing Paste. Now, this I have purchased, I want to say 4 or 5 times already. This is one of my most favorite cleanser for the face. And my son as well has used this a lot. It has vitamin C, which means it is brightening, and oh boy is it brightening. Turmeric is one of my most favorite ingredients, and so definitely my go-to cleanser aside from Tula. It's inexpensive. I think for this big 4-ounce bottle it's like $13-12, something like that, and sometimes they do go on sale too, so I'm always on the lookout for that. So that is everything that I hauled, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already, I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So I need to cut this video short. The parents are looking at me funny now. We're all waiting for our kids in the car. Yeah, it's time to end this. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.